morning, kids. Our lesson for today is about polite expressions and courteous greetings. Before we begin, let us first read the poem Please, Thanks, adapted from Gwen Ennis' Two Little Magic Words. There are two little magic words. There can open any heart with ease. One little word is thanks, and the other little word is please. A lot of folks forget to remember to be polite. They don't realize that using these words is right. Now kids, we say good morning in the morning o magandang umaga. We also say good afternoon at noontime o kaya magandang hapon po. We also say good evening in the evening o magandang gabi po. When we want to greet people, we say hello, hi, o kumusta. We can also say hi, how are you when we want to greet people o kaya kumusta ka? At sasagutin natin ito ng I'm fine, thank you. O mabuti naman po, salamat. When we want somebody to do something for us, o kaya kapag nais natin ang isang tao na gumawa ng isang bagay para sa atin, we say, please. We can also use, please take your seat. And we answer, thank you. Again, please take your seat. And your answer must be, thank you. Now, when somebody gives us something or does something for us, o kapag may nagbigay sa atin ng isang bagay, o may ginawa para sa atin, we say, thank you. Again, thank you. When we ask permission to do something, o kapag humihingi tayo ng pahintulot na gumawa ng isang bagay, we say, may I? Again, may I? Example, may I sit here? May I sit here? The answer, yes, you can. Again, may I sit here? Yes, you can. Now, when we hurt somebody, or when we have done something wrong, o kapag nasaktan natin ang isang tao, o kapag nakagawa tayo ng mali, we say o sinasabi natin na, I'm sorry. Ulit. Kapag may nasaktan tayo na isang tao, o nakagawa tayo ng mali, dapat tayo ay humihingi ng sorry. Kaya sasabihin natin, I'm sorry. Halimbawa, habang naglalaro tayo, hindi mo sinasadyang nasaktan ang kalaro mo. Ang sasabihin mo ay, I'm sorry I hurt you. Again, I'm sorry I hurt you. I don't mean it. Siyempre, sasabihin ng kalaro mo, I forgive you. When we want to pass between two people who are talking or blocking our way, o kaya dadaan tayo, may nagdalawang taong nag-uusap, at dadaan tayo, sasabihin nating, excuse me, ulit. Kapag may dalawang taong nag-uusap, na dadaan tayo, sasabihin natin ng, excuse me, and last but not the least, when we want to leave o gusto na nating umalis o magpaalam, we say goodbye o kaya paalam ulit. When we want to leave o kung gusto nating umalis o magpaalam, we say goodbye or paalam. Thank you for listening, kids. God bless you. See you again next time. This is Sir Adam.